This AZ4U refrigerator LED light is like a beacon of brightness for your Kenmore fridge. If your current light is dim or has gone out, this is a great replacement. It fits many Kenmore models, such as 106.511322210 and more. Installing this Kenmore fridge LED light replacement can make finding your food much easier. It brings a new level of visibility to your refrigerator's interior. Replacing the old, dull light with this LED is a simple task. You don't need to be a handyman or have special tools. This Kenmore fridge LED light replacement offers good value. It helps you see everything inside clearly. Think of it as turning on a light in a dark room. No more guessing what's hiding in the back. This LED light makes your fridge feel new again, and it performs its duty well. Overall, this AZ4U LED light is a solid choice for a Kenmore fridge LED light replacement. It's designed to fit various Kenmore refrigerator styles. While it's not on sale right now, its long-lasting performance and bright illumination are worth considering. It's a practical solution to a common problem. This light brings clarity to your fridge, and that's a big plus in any of our countries. Pros: designed for Kenmore, replaces many models, LED technology, bright light, energy efficient, long-lasting, easy to install, good visibility, reliable lighting, may improve fridge look. Cons: could be model specific, might not fit all models, installation difficulty unknown, longevity can vary, brightness might not match, potential for early failure, may be overpriced, sourcing could be limited, no brand reliability info, no warranty details given. Features: main LED light, for in the fridge, replaces Kenmore, fits many models, easy to install. Provides bright light, LED technology, durable, reliable, affordable part. This AZ4U LED light is made to replace the main light inside some Kenmore refrigerators. It fits many different models. As listed, it's an LED light, so it should be bright and last a long time. The part is designed to be easy for you to install yourself and is offered as a more affordable option. This AZ4U LED light is made to replace the main light in some Kenmore refrigerators, offering a brighter, longer lasting, and more energy-friendly light compared to older types. It should be easy to put in and give you better sight inside your fridge. However, it might not fit every Kenmore model listed. The installation could be tricky for some, and how long it lasts might change. Also, the brightness might not be exactly what you expect, and there's a small chance it could break early. You might find it costs more than other options, and it could be hard to find. We don't know how reliable the brand is or if it comes with a warranty.